Hey yo, what is going on, you guys? It's FunTube Aviation here, back at.
Alright guys, so you've probably been wondering why I've been gone so long, and to be honest, it's really because I forgot the login for this YouTube channel, and so I tried everything I could for months to try and get it back. I recorded this video back in September, I think, so it's been a long time since I've recorded this video. That's why this stuff's gonna be a little off. Just remember, today is November the 22nd, 2022, and the next video will be a week from today, just like Tuesday uploads. But yeah, sorry to hold this video up. Let's go ahead and get right back into it.
Again with another video, and today I am finally back from my summer break. This was a little bit more extended than I thought, but I'm back from summer break and we're back to weekly uploads. Got a whole bunch of cool videos that I filmed over the summer that I'm ready to show with you guys. Got a whole bunch of just good content that I'm gonna be releasing to you over the next weeks, months, and into next year. So hopefully once we get back to weekly uploads, we can get back to growing the channel, and hopefully we'll be at 300 subscribers by the end of the year. That's a really big hope, but you never know, it could happen. Anyways, let's get on with today's video. So today we have a Delta Airbus A330-900 Neo. I picked this up a few years ago from the airplane shop. Here's the front of the box, your sides, standard Gemini Jets box. I picked it up for $52, I believe. Yeah, $52.95. That was a pretty good deal, judging on now how much these things are. Here's the back of the box, and there is the inside flap. This was, I think, one of the first planes with the new flap iteration. It's been so long since I got this. 2019 Las Vegas, Nevada release. Plastic, standard plastic. I feel the A330 Neos and the 787s deserve the big boxes instead of these little medium haul boxes. I think they are worthy of the big boy boxes. Okay. Here is the model. It is quite a beautiful model. You've probably seen it around the airport before. Never came around to making an unboxing video with it. I did, when I bought this model, it came broken, of course. That was when Gemini Jets had really bad quality control. So it came broken, and that was a bit of a bummer, but the airplane shop refunded me every bit of money that I paid for it, so that was nice of them. And yeah, that was pretty much the exciting story of this model. Anyways guys, thank you all so much for watching this video. I'm back, weekly uploads are back, trip reports, all sorts of cool stuff are back, airport updates. I just started filming the next airport update, which will be next week, so can't wait for you guys to see that one. And yeah, other than that, that's gonna do it. Thank you all so much for watching. If you're not subscribed, please subscribe. We're trying to hit 300 subscribers by the end of this year. Anyways guys, thank you all so much for watching. This is FunTube Aviation, signing off.